In this video, we are going to see how we can enter the individual inventory details and put their opening balances so that as a total, it can update this balance of 453,000 as a control account, and it automatically creates the ledger and put this balance here as well. So this means that it's connected to the individual inventory items details. So let's see how we can create this. From the inventory tab right at the bottom, just click on products and services. And from here, we are on the get started option where we can create the new items manually, or we can import the items as well. So how we can import that, I'll just show you later on. But first of all, just click on create items. And here it is. Now, one good thing about the QuickBooks Online interface is not only you can enter all the inventory details here, but you can also add the image of the product as well. So this makes it very easy to identify the exact product while you're entering this or while you're checking this in records. So the first item name is Corolla windscreen. I'll just copy and paste it right here. It goes under the inventory item. Now let's mention the SKU. SKU means stock keeping unit, and that is how do you want to mention this. Is it in pieces, liters, meters, kgs, whatever. So this is a big item and it's in pieces or each, you can say. The category, I'll just choose it as add new. Just click here. And the category name, I'll just name it as car parts. And this is the main category, so I'll not just highlight this. Click save. Inventory info, the initial quantity on hand. This is a compulsory field. The quantity is 470. So I'll just write here 470. As of date is 1st of January, since this is an opening balance. Reorder point, I'll not set it right here. Inventory asset account is already selected. Description in the sales. So we need the same specifications to be mentioned whenever we are entering any sales or a purchase. And income account is already selected to sales of a product income, and cost of goods sold is also selected. So in short, we have the 470 initial quantity and the cost is 400. I'll just mention it here. So let's click on save and close after that. And now we have 3 more products remaining, but first we have to make sure that whether it shows this balance as a ledger in chart of accounts or not. So I'll just go to the accounting and click on chart of accounts. And as soon as we have entered this, as you can see, the inventory asset is there with 188,000 as a balance. That exactly matches this one. So that's great. Just click inventory and products and services to add more. Let's click on new. It's an inventory item. And the next item is Civic headlights. It goes under inventory item. SKU is each. It goes under car parts. Initial quantity on hand is 950. As of 1st of January, inventory asset account is selected to inventory asset. Description for sales and purchase, I'll just copy this from the name and paste it in both of these areas. Income and expense account is already selected. Just we have to mention the purchase cost. So the rate, I'll mention it here. And save and new, so that we can keep on the screen and just quickly enter the rest of 2. Previous wheel cups. Copy that. Paste it right here. It goes under inventory item. It's each. Category is car parts. Quantity on hand is 250. As of 1st of January, it goes under inventory asset. And here in the sales and purchase description, I'll just copy and paste that. And the rate, I'll mention it as 50. Goes under cost of goods sold, all good. Click on save and new. And the last one we have is Prius rear lights. Just paste that. Inventory item, it's each. Now if you want to update the picture as well, it's very simple. Let's find an image for this. So for example, this is the image I like. I'll just save this, save it to the desktop, or you can download any kind of specifications like this. Let's say this is the image style that I want. And after that, just click on add image, choose the location. This is the item and it's shown like this. Category is car parts. Quantity on hand is 550. It's 1st of January. Inventory asset account. Description, I'll just copy and paste this as description and in the sales description as well. So in the income and expense account, it's all selected. Just click on save and close. And this is all done. Now let's go to the accounting and click on chart of accounts. And under the inventory asset, we can see the total balance as 343,000. So there is something lagging. Okay, in the previous rear lights, the only problem is with the previous rear lights. Just open this up again and click on edit. 550 is the initial quantity. And what is the cost? I think the cost is not mentioned here. Cost is 200. I'll just mention it here. Save. Go back, click on chart of accounts. And now we have 453,000 as balance updated. And since all the balances are now finalized, the debit and credit should match according to our project trial balance. So click on reports, click on standard reports. Let me make it full screen. Click on trial balance, set the period, make sure it's 1st of January till 31st January, let's say. Run the report. And on the debit and credit side, we have 4762730, 4762730 on the both sides here in the project as well. Exactly matches this one. If you want to hide this zeros, we can click on customize, and we want to make sure that we only show the non-zeros here. So in fact, it's not in the customize area, it's right here. So non-zero. And after that, we can just run the report, and there we go. This is how you can extract the trial balance report exactly by entering all the inventory details along with the opening balances. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.